One owner bought here. Local car. Only 25,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax. Air conditioning, alloy wheels, heated front seats, limited package, power seats, power windows and locks, and remote keyless entry. Are you interested in a simply great car? Then take a look at this great 2000 Buick LeSabre. It is nicely equipped with features such as 4-speed automatic, air conditioning, alloy wheels, heated front seats, limited package, power driver seat, power windows, and remote keyless entry. Have one less thing on your mind with this trouble-free LeSabre. For this 2000 Buick LeSabre, check out our online purchase process at www.larsonmotors.com.